Hey, what's going on today, guys? This is Punisher Prime 81 here. Today we're going to do a box review of Chronicles Football. This box has 8 cards per pack, and there's 6 packs per box. It's supposed to have 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card per box on average. Now, you guys have seen my luck before, so don't even get me started. You know how those points work with me. Uh, Anyways, hopefully that's not the case today. Hopefully something incredible of maybe these two, or maybe Patrick Mahomes. Who knows? Maybe Lamar Jackson. You just don't know until we break this baby open. All right, let's get into it, see what this stuff's all about. Been a lot of good videos out there. I've seen people just pulling some great stuff. I've seen some really nice Kyler Murray's pulled. All right, so this is the inside of the box. And here's our packs. Let's get them out, maybe kind of carefully. All right. Thing's cool about these, they got a variety of all kinds of different stuff in here. This one feels really thick. We're gonna wait on that one. All right. All right, our first card is an AJ Green. And this is not numbered. For the Indianapolis Colts, old school Reggie Wayne. These are some neat cards. Here's an Eagles Miles Sanders, and it's a rookie. Looks like some sort of prism here, Titans. And that's numbered 22 out of 25. That's cool. It's got an Aaron Rodgers for you Packers fans out there. It's kind of like an old school looking card. Cooper Kupp. And we've got a Brian Burns of the Carolina Panthers. These are different cards. Luminance, okay. There's a lot of these things that I don't know yet, so I'm kind of looking at them slowly. I'm sorry I'm kind of being all quiet and stuff, but I'm just trying to figure out what all these are. Next one, we've got a Riley Ridley of the Chicago Bears and a Marquise Brown. Those are kind of cool looking cards. All right, let's see what this one is. Ooh, Minshew on the bottom. All right, we got an AJ Brown. Here's a hit. Whoa, look at this Rob Gronkowski triple patch out of 49. Dude just unretired to come to play with Tom Brady. That's a huge patch hit right there. That's crazy. That thing is thick. That is cool. Wow, that was awesome. Looks like I got a die cut in here. Russell Wilson. Ooh, I got a Will Greer die cut. Carolina Panthers. That's pretty cool. I'll set that over there. We got a Darnell Savage. Looks like these ones are going to be Packers. Got a DK Metcalf rookie card here. Okay, so that's a basic one. So that green one earlier that's why it was out of 20, 25 or whatever. We got a Ryan Finley quarterback and a Gardner Minshew Studio rookie. Nice. What a patch. That's pretty cool. All right. We got a Zach Thomas. Julius Peppers. Got an Easton Stick rookie card. Oh, this one's numbered. Oh, wow. That's out of 10. Wow. Ooh, yeah. That's out of 10. Oops. And I got a Kyler Murray after that. How about that? I almost threw that Easton Stick right out the way. That's landed softly, thankfully. Deebo Samuel. It's a nice die cut there. I don't know if these are not numbered. All right. Oh yeah, nice Drew Lock. This looks like a Prism too, rookie. Dang, and a Jarrett Stidham right after that. That's pretty cool. Nicole Hardman Jr. All right. Well, hopefully we get a massive hit here. Leonard Fournette. Ooh, here's our first hit. Oh, it's a DK Metcalf out of 25. Wow. Green autograph DK Metcalf. That's freaking sweet. Dang. That's pretty cool. These are some nice cards, guys. This one's numbered. This is 128 out of 129. That is Thurman Thomas. Got a CMC right here. Got another die cut, Devin Singletary. Devin Bush, Prism, rookie card of the Titan. Danny Dimes right here. There's your Daniel Jones rookie card. And another Devin Singletary rookie card. All right, coming down to the last two packs, guys. All right. Sam Darnold. Ooh, here's our hit. Let's just go ahead. It's Willis McGahee. Old school autograph. I remember Willis McGahee. He was tough. Denver Broncos, 79 out of 99. That's an old school autograph there. Nice. That's thick. Baker Mayfield. Got a Noah Fant. Got a Odell Beckham Jr. Got a Will Greer Score Prism rookie card. Not numbered. Got a Justice Hill. And a N'Keal Harry. Alright, guys. Last pack. See if we can pull something cool. Looks like we got another Will Greer. He's on the bottom. Alright. Von Miller. Cam Chancellor. Got a Josh Jacobs. This is 8 out of 28. Sorry about that. I was looking at it. And that's a thick card for some reason. Got a Ryan Finley rookie die cut. AJ Brown. Hunter Renfrow. Ooh, there's a Patrick Mahomes. Ooh, that's a nice Patrick Mahomes. I'll take that. And we got a nice Will Greer rookie card. Well, hey guys, not a bad box, man. I got a Kyler Murray out of there. A couple DK Metcalfs. DK's autograph. Then we got the humongous patch over there of Rob Gronkowski. And that's out of 49. And a couple green refractors out of 25. DK was out of 25. That's awesome. I'm glad to be able to open this product. It was a little pricey, but it's a lot of fun to open. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like. And if you want to see more content, please hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.